Yawning, கொட்டாவி விடுதல், கெட்ட ஆவியை விடுதல். Yawning is the best exercise for diaphragm. Blood supply when arrested to brain and breathing is not in proper in diaphragm, yawning naturally occurs. But you can do it as massage to your diaphragm. Now the diaphragm works seriously, quickly, intellectually. And the gas, strong gas, emits through mouth. Get a deep breath. So, you add one inner massage to your organs. That is, you cultivate the habit of breathing through diaphragm, not through a nasal stream or through mouth or through stomach or any parts of the body, inner organs is irregular. Cultivate the habit of the gas emits through mouth and anus. Now strong gas disappear. You breathe well. The brain function now proper. But after breathing good air, get fast, deep sleep. Naturally occurs when the sleeping aparna directly relates to stomach and brain. When the stomach is getting in order, sleep automatically occurs. So, cultivate the habit of breathing diaphragm. Again, the major problem of causing sleepless nights is due to mosquito bite. See the mosquito bite areas. Or I have many devices, even though nearly thousands of baby mosquitoes. It is not appears by naked eyesight, but biting all through the night. So the swelling, mosquito bite, it gives you a sleepless night all over the world. Not only my problem, the whole world problem. Somebody says that they are sleeping in AC room. Somebody says they are in mosquito repellents. So it's not true. Each and every square foot of air is filled by eggs of mosquito. Within 1 or 2 hours, it evolved to a biting mosquito. It spread first acid and then irritate and then gives you say sleepless night. So the meals you eat is disorderly digestion. So is the environment problem. Anyhow, we can manage it through deep breathing, yawning exercise, yawning massage. Outer body you can massage well, but how to massage the inner organs? You can do by proper exercise. After understanding the diaphragmatic area, and breathe through diaphragm, release all gases, you get good night sleep. Thank you, dear friends.